Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to cancel your Hostinger email subscription. Whether you switch providers or just don't need it anymore, this process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. So let's dive in. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the Hostinger website. This is where all subscription management happens. Next, click the login button at the top right. If you're not signed in already, enter your email and password. Having your login details ready makes this step quick. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside Hostinger's hPanel. This is your main dashboard for managing services. From here, look for the option labeled Billing. Inside Billing, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Subscriptions. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but it's usually easy to spot. Here, you'll see a list of all active services. Find the email service you want to cancel. Next to it, click on the button that says Manage or Modify. You'll now see the option to cancel. Make sure you read any notes carefully, since Hostinger may offer alternatives like downgrading. If you're sure, just click Cancel. A confirmation box will appear reminding you how long you'll have access before the cancellation is complete. Confirm to finalize. Finally, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Hostinger. If you don't see it right away, wait a few minutes or check spam, And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Hostinger email subscription. Clearing out services you don't need is always a good way to cut costs. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.